Yo, what we doing?
Huh?
You haven't even done an intro, have you?
Yeah, I've done the intro.
Live.
It's hot as
Look
fuck,
at he's
though.
lying.
I'm just trying to get this fucking shit out. It's hot as fuck in here.
Where you up to?
But yeah, I got most of the shit on top disconnected. Got the slave disconnected. I took the starter out. The starter's right over there. I just got the whole steering knuckle. Got this loosened up. Took the tire rods, the ball joint.
We need
the
some
bolts.
lights.
The bolts that go to the lower control arm, from the strut to the lower control arm. Remove that. Now I just have to slide the axle out and pretty much just unbolt it from the rear mount, this mount up here, and the side torque mount right here. You're not gonna be able to see it from on top, but it's like right here. So I'd say it's been like about 45 minutes since I started the video. Well, actually started this, and I'm having some good hopes. So it should be good, and I'll keep you guys posted. It's hot as shit. Hot as fuck. Good shit. Oh, it's coming out. Woo! That bitch is hard. Alright. Let's go. There she is. Motherfucker. Alright, so we got all the shift linkages disconnected, got the bitch pin out, got the starter removed, got the clutch sleeve,
How that should look like?
got the, it's just a pin, see that? And then,
Details.
so yeah, got all the shift linkages removed, got all the suspension components removed as well. So the axle is ready to come out. Starter is removed. Slave cylinder, well, the clutch slave is removed as well. Now, and all the electrical components are disconnected. I got the ground removed, got all the sensors removed and stuff like that. Now, the only thing that's left is have to loosen up and remove all the bolts that are on the belt housing to the tranny, and just unbolt just basically unbolt it. It's ready to come out. Just gotta get this axle out, and like I said, the bolts to the belt housing and the motor mounts, well, the tranny mounts. That's pretty much it. She's ready to come out. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep tackling this motherfucker until we're there. All right, guys. So I went ahead and got all the bolts to the transmission all loosened up. You guys can see there. There's a bolt there. There's a bolt there as well. All the bolts to the belt housing that are mating the engine and transmission are all loosened up, top and bottom. Also removed all the nuts and bolts from this motor mount, the one in the rear, and this side torque mount is loosened up as well. And she's pretty much ready to come out. As you guys can see, the motor is like slanted towards the left. That's because I went ahead and loosened this bolt up, this mount. So yeah, she's ready. The tranny's ready to come out. So I'm just gonna mount you guys somewhere, see if I could get you a nice view. or a nice clip, I guess. And let's pray I don't break anything. Holy shit. There it is. Fucking made a little rookie mistake. Kind of left the half shaft still in there. So I had to like finesse. Had to finesse the motherfucker. But yeah, I left the half shaft and the other passenger side axle because I don't have a pry bar, so I was unable to pry this off. So I was like, I said fuck it. But yeah, she's out. She's out. And here's the old clutch. Here. I'm gonna be removing it in a sec and see how much friction material we had left or how bad is it. So I'm glad I finally got the tranny out. Now it's time to start bolting this bad boy up and head to the track tomorrow. So keep my fingers crossed. It's hot. Well, there you guys have it. Clutch is out. And shit, this motherfucker looks pretty worn down, as you can tell over here with these rivets. Once this friction material becomes flush with the actual, like this little rivet, that little hole you see there, that looks like a rivet. Once this friction material gets down to that and it's like flush, it's flush with that, then that is, you know, a sign that you should be changing your clutch. And also I can see here some hot spots, especially over here. Definitely see some hot spots going on. But yeah, there it is. Clutch is out. Now, next step is getting the flywheel out and swapping it for the new twin disc. So you guys take a close listen, closely, you could hear that this Doral bearing was shot. All right, if you guys can't obviously tell, so yeah, you always do that shit. All right, so if you guys obviously can't tell, it's the next day or it's some other day opposed to the last clip you guys saw. It's actually Wednesday. I was unable to go to Test and Tune yesterday. I was unable to get the transmission in. Had like some rookie, difficulties, I guess you want to call it. And yeah, so I was unable to get the trans in. So I woke up this morning and was able to get it in. Now the car is done, everything is buttoned up, and should be ready to start now. But I just wanted to throw in that I also thought about it, and I'm not gonna throw a good clutch away just by not properly breaking it in. So Clutch Masters, they suggest you drive the car for like 500 miles and stop and go conditions. And if I would have went to the track yesterday, if I would have got the car done, probably would have fucked some shit up. So thank God that ain't happened. Just, I guess, being a dumbass and just was like, yo, fuck it, I'm just gonna go to track the next day. But yeah, car's done. I'm gonna start it now and let's test out this new twin disc. Let's see if I stall the first one. Just gonna test it out. Just feel this pedal. Man, that is so low. It feels weird. Already the clutch feels like, the clutch pedal is like so low. It's kind of weird. It's throwing me off. Like this top, like right here, there's nothing. You guys can see that. That's nothing. That's absolutely nothing there. And then it grabs right there. So it's like real short. So see all that play, and then it grabs right there. So let's see. Nah, it's not right. Nope, not right. Over to it. Push it. Do it again. Push it. Push it again. Alright, so she's back. Clutch is back. Guess I had to just pump it a few times. But let me put this cap on and try again. Let's see if I stall first time. Twin disc life. What the fuck? It's doing it again. This is weird. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm back. Still here. My car's still sitting here. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. Shit is fucked now.
Anytime soon?
Yo, for real. This shit has to be out of here by like this weekend?
We're having like this event 21st, and it's not looking too good for me over here. You know,
It's not. Yo.
clutch over
fuck.
here is fucked up. You know, you gotta take apart this car. Worry.
Might have to sell it.
Gonna sell it for
On eBay.
$1,000. Whoever want it, I'm gonna sell it right now. I'm done tapping out. That shit got me fucking tight. Alright, so this shit still doesn't want to go into gear. I changed the clutch master cylinder. Yeah, I even changed the fucking clutch master cylinder. I tried everything. I bled the system. Nothing. The pedal actually feels better now because I adjusted the shaft on the master cylinder. So it feels better, but it's still not going into gear. I spoke to the guys over at Clutch Masters, and they told me it could either be the clutch disc, it could be bent, which I'm hoping it's not. It could be the clutch master cylinder, or I just have to adjust it. But I did adjust it. I changed the clutch master cylinder, and the last thing is the disc. So unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to take this whole thing apart tomorrow. So there's gonna be another video and
Another season.
FML, another series.
Another series for the whole transmission. They get mad. Be like, yo, fuck, you messed it.
2 chain.
Hey.
One chain right now is gonna be 2 chain. Shit, about time.
That's a cheap chain, man.
Fuck, man. So yeah,
My nigga, that shit look like my baby chain.
this shit is currently out of commission right now. So I'm gonna see if I wake up tomorrow, get the tranny back out, and well, actually, I'm gonna come tomorrow, see if I could bleed the clutch a little bit more, and I don't know, try to diagnose it a little bit more, see if there's anything else I'm missing, and hopefully I don't have to take this thing back apart. But so far, it's not looking too good. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, actually, I'm gonna end the video here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.